In this video, I'm going to discuss how to connect Marshall Major 4 headphones to any phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you've just got your Marshall Major 4 headphones and want to connect them to your phone, follow these simple steps. So number one is obviously power on the headphones. So press and hold the gold control knob for about 4 seconds until the LED starts flashing blue. This means the headphones are now in pairing mode. Number two, enable Bluetooth on your phone. So open up settings on your phone, go to Bluetooth and turn it on. Wait for your phone to scan for available devices. 3, select Marshall Major 4. So find Marshall Major 4 in the list of available devices. Tap to pair. If prompted, confirm the pairing. Number 4, connection successful. So once connected, the LED light on the headphones will turn solid blue. You're now ready to enjoy your music. There's a few troubleshooting tips here if you got any issues. So if the headphones don't appear, you can always turn the Bluetooth on and off on your phone. Reset the headphones by holding the gold control knob for roughly 10 seconds until the LED flashes. Make sure the headphones are charged. These steps should work for any phone, whether iPhone, Android or others. Enjoy your Marshall Major 4 headphones.